said, I can help you with a handy list of documents you will need for your ITR return filing for financial year 2021-22. Sounds great? Hi everyone, I am Bhavna from Clear. We have assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers so far. Do subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of finance-related concepts. In this video, I will provide you with a comprehensive list of documents you will need for your ITR return filing. Firstly, let's look at generic documents you will need to file your income tax return. PAN number, Aadhaar number, all the bank account details in the name of the taxpayer, TDS certificates such as Form 16, Form 16A, Form 26AS, etc., Annual Information Statement that is AIS, tax payment challans, for example, Advance Tax and Self-Assessment Tax Payment Challans, investment proofs to claim deductions under Section 80C, such as Equity Linked Savings Scheme that is ELSS, contribution made towards PPF, EPF, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, tax saving fixed deposits, senior citizen savings scheme, and NPS investment during the year, children's school tuition fees, and all other investment receipts related to Section 80D, 80E, 80TTA, 80G, etc. Apart from these generic documents, there are a few specific documents you may need to provide based on your nature of income for the financial year. Now, let's look at the documents you will need as a salary income taxpayer. If you are a salaried person, you will need to collect Form 16 at the end of the financial year from your employer. Apart from Form 16, if you've received arrears of salary for a particular year, you will need to collect the arrear document from the employer. This will contain all the details of arrears to be filled in Form 10E to take relief under Section 89. Further, to claim HRA and LTA exemption, you need to arrange rent receipts and travel bills respectively. Moreover, if you have withdrawn PF during the year, check Form 16A for the same for TDS deducted on such withdrawals by the PF department. If you have received income from outside India, in case of claiming a foreign tax credit, you will need to fill Form 67 and should therefore keep all the income proofs and tax returns filed in the foreign country. Are the documents required for your ITR return filing making sense? If yes, please comment S in the comment section below. Now, let's look at the documents you will need when you have income from other sources. If you have earned interest income during the year, you need a bank passbook, interest certificate, etc. of the said financial year. Collect relevant documents for both interest on savings bank, post office savings schemes, as well as interest received on fixed deposits. Further, keep a record of dividend income received or refer to the annual information statement for the same. In case income of your dependents needs to be clubbed in your income, then proof of income from investments made in the dependent name will be needed. Where the family pension is received by the descendants of the deceased employee, the family members receiving the pension should collect the pension document to report the amount correctly in the ITR. Now, let's look at the documents you will need in case of capital gains. If you have entered into a capital gain transaction, such as sale of property, you will need property sale documents with the stamped valuation details such as the sale date. Also, any receipts for improvement cost and proof to claim other deductions wherever possible. Suppose the proceeds are invested in buying another house property or in specific bonds, etc. It is very important to have proof of such transactions to claim an exemption. Now let's look at the documents you will need when you have income from house property. If you have rental income during the year, you will need a rent agreement for the property you have rented out. Also, you should keep the receipts of municipal taxes paid during the year to claim deduction for the same. TDS deducted on income other than salary are reported in Form 16A. Hence, if you receive rent from house property on which TDS is deducted, the same will appear in your Form 16A. Also, if there are home loans, then collect an interest certificate highlighting the principal and the interest paid during the year. Now, let's look at the documents you will need when you own a business. You would need documents such as the profit and loss account, the balance sheet of the financial year, and the audit records if applicable. I hope this video was helpful for you. It is always recommended to keep your documents related to your ITR filing ready well in advance. For queries related to business or finance, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned for more updates.